Okay, so now let's go into the next content that you're going to study is Japanese sentences. Okay, this is a Chinese word, 日语句子. Sorry, this is not a Japanese word, okay? It's not a kanji. It's actually a Chinese word because in the future I might do this for Chinese speaker as well. In Japanese, there's only 3 kind of basic sentence. 3つの基本的な日本語文型. So 3 basic Japanese sentence patterns, only 3. Alright? So the first one is meishi, ending with des. For example, これは寿司です. What is des in English? Is, are, am. I am Yvonne. 私は Yvonne です. So the des is actually a verb. In a way that it's a sentence verb. It's a noun sentence, okay? This, これ is this. これは is this one. Wa, you know wa, right? Wa is actually the main thing of the topic. The main topic is wa. So これは, not that one over there, but this one here. This is a sushi. Okay? This is a sushi. So the des is actually is. Alright? This des here is actually is. This is sushi. Alright? So next. Then you will move on to study must. What is must? Must is actually verb. When you see must, you know it's a verb. You see des, you know it is either a noun or an adjective too. Alright? Must. Sushi o tabemasu. I eat sushi. Okay? Eat sushi. Tabemasu. So next. So the back, this one will tell you that what kind of sentence it is. Alright? The back will tell you what kind of sentence it is. Next is keiyoushi. Keiyoushi is adjective. What is adjective? Is to describe something. Pretty, smart, handsome, ugly, yummy, delicious. All these are all keiyoushi. These are all adjective. Alright? So for example, it always ends with a des. Of course, is sushi wa oishii desu. And do you know that, okay, just an extra knowledge for you. There's 2 kind of adjective. It's either end with the e or end with a na. Okay, I think for you that already know the basis of Japanese, you all would know this, alright? It is e, oishii. This is an e adjective because it ends with the e. Okay, like for example, nigi. If it is nigiyaka. Nigiyaka, very lively city, very lively country. Nigiyaka, like Tokyo wa nigiyaka no machi desu ne. Nigiyaka, okay? Toshi, or you can put it city, Toshi. Tokyo wa nigiyaka na toshi desu ne. So nigiyaka means lively, but this one definitely is a na adjective because it doesn't end with a e. Alright, so adjective in Japanese has 2 kind of e. One is the e and one is the na. Okay, I hope you all know this already because I don't know where is your level now. So yes, that is different kind of Japanese. Alright, there are different kind of sentence. So yeah, oishi there. So the both nouns and adjective ends with a des, and verb ends with a must. Okay, so take note. Alright. I hope you learned something so far. Give me a 1 if you learned something. Alright. In a chat box, give me a 1 if you have learned something. Let's come into the main topic today is case particle, which is kakujoshi.